So you've got your brand new Posca paint markers and you're wondering what is up with the white tip. Feeling a little panicked maybe? Yeah, the first time I used a paint marker, I thought it was broken. But worry not. Let's take a closer look at the tip. It needs to be saturated with paint for it to do anything. Here is a marker I have already used. You can see the tip is filled with paint and ready to go. So how do we get a brand new paint marker started? What we need to do is shake and then pump. Let me demonstrate. To be on the safe side, I place a finger over the cap and then I shake my brand new marker for 15 to 20 seconds. Carefully uncap the marker. I say carefully just in case the tip loosens. If the tip falls out, worry not, it pops right back in. After shaking, your tip is probably still white because you need to gently pump it like this for the paint to saturate down through. As you can see, it can take quite a few pumps. We can begin to see the paint saturating. Keep pumping gently. Now it's ready to use. I find that this shake and pump process is usually only needed for that first time using, as long as you are storing your markers horizontally. Also, be sure that the cap snaps on tightly. Posca paint markers are some of the best out there. I love how they layer nicely over dry paint without smudging. And they can be used on almost any surface: paper, wood, glass, plastic, fabric, metal, stone, and so on. This water-based paint dries to a beautiful matte finish on both porous and non-porous surfaces. Note that the markers come in various sizes. I demonstrated with the medium bullet tips. Price-wise, they can run you about $4 each. However, you can save if you buy a combo pack. For example, the Blick Art Materials website offers several 8-piece sets, themes like earth tones, cool tones, warm tones, dark tones, and so on. At the time of making this video, a bunch of these 8-piece sets are priced around $17, which is the best I've found so far. I'll put that link in the description. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe, it's free to do. And if you have more info to share about these markers, please comment below.